Seriously? Okay, come on. Am I talking really quiet? Can't tell. This is the first YouTube video I'm doing with sound. So let me try an easier. I'm gonna do an easier level. Just beat Jumper today. Pretty proud of that. So the difficulty jump from Jumper to Time Machine is insane. If Jumper was an easy demon, I think Time Machine would at least be a hard demon, but they're both harder. Oh, come on. Seriously? I think 7 and 8 stars? No, I haven't checked. I didn't know. I don't really know what to talk about. Didn't prepare or anything. So this is the second account I've had playing Geometry Dash. First one was on my really old tablet, so I think that's pretty cool. I don't know when 2.2 is coming out. Apparently it was supposed to release on Thanksgiving. Didn't come out. Supposed to release, I don't know, last week. Didn't come out. It's supposed to release this Sunday, but I don't know if I trust Red Top. Holy! Oh my gosh! I could barely get past the red upside down part. Oh my gosh! Up until today, I could just barely. Hold on. What? Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Okay. Well, I don't know what levels to do now. I could barely get past 50% on Jumper up until today, and then I just beat it twice in a row. Well, not in a row, but twice in the same, 30 minutes. My commentary is not going to be very... Okay. My commentary is not going to be very good. But... yeah. I have a dog. I made a video on her. Just took my computer downstairs, put it on record, and took a video of me petting my dog. Yeah, I'm trying a different level. Let's see, did I really get that much better overnight? Can't Let Go has always just been really hard for me for some reason. On my tablet, I just couldn't beat it. Am I just better on computer? No. Nope, I'm not. I died to the 3 orbs. Okay. In case you're curious, my dog's name is Maya. She's 9 years old, so it's pretty cool. What? Well, yep. I guess I'm just bad. Okay. Well. Uh. Should I just play? I just play the nightmare. I'm not very good at the nightmare. I'm not very good at Geometry Dash in general. Okay, that was embarrassing. So recently on Geometry Dash, I've just been playing random levels and well, you know what? Never mind. I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. So, uh, bye.